Hello everyone, respected sir and all my dear lovely friends. A very auspicious good evening to all of you. It's me Deepika and she is my friend Prachi. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you to Mr. Mukesh Goswami sir by whom we got this golden opportunity to recite our topic. Now I am going to start my topic. My current topic is English is the language of internet. As you all know that English is the main language of internet as well as the universal language. This has come because of English speaking world. Thus, the relationship between the English language and the internet is influenced by some facts. Now, I will recite that facts. 80% of world electronically stored information is in English language. Computers are English orientated in today's generation. Maximum peoples of world using basic English language. It is the common language of nearly and every internationally connected professions, including science, medicines, and air traffic control. Talking in English is valuable for education life. As an estimated 565 millions of people using internet every day, and mostly websites are available in internet are in English language. Now, Prachi, what's your opinion about English as a beneficial language?
Thank you, Deepika, for giving me the chance to tell about my opinion. English improve and widen employment opportunities. As the primary language of communication across the globe, proficiency in English is higher short skill in the international workplace. One of the benefits of learning English that it significantly boosts your job opportunities. The business world and international trade are also known for their use of English, and English has become international language of medicine and science. It's my short opinion. Now, Deepika, it's your turn.
Thank you, Prachi, for giving me chance. Now I am going to start my second point. And my second point is English is helpful to express others. This is the language of science, aviation, diplomacy, computers, and tourism. English is very useful for reaching our goals in today's generation. It allows people from different countries to connect it and share their ideas. In today's generation, English is very useful for students as it broadens mind ability, develops emotional skills, and it also improves the quality of life by providing jobs. As you know, many best universities are available either at UK and in USA, and English is the main language for their courses. Now, Prachi, what's your second point?
Another reason that you should learn English that you can travel the world with confidence. Exploring and traveling the world are once again on many people's agendas, as well as countries where English is the main language such as UK, United States, Canada and Australia. There are scores of different countries where English is also listed as an official language. These include Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong and Philippines. This is my short opinion.
Thank you, Prachi. You spoke very well. Now I think it's time to end our video. At last, I want to give conclusion that English is very useful in today's generation, and it is very useful for India also, as used in many fields in India like in politics, medical science, media, etc. And it is originated from England. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.